Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change your RealMojis on BeReal. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your BeReal application and click on Discovery at the upper part of your screen. So now, as you can see, there's this emoji icon at the lower left corner of this image. So you just want to click on that and then just go ahead and change or click the emoji that you want to change. And now just go ahead and capture your own representation. So just go ahead and click it and click on continue. Okay, and that should change your RealMojis on BeReal. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.